Today's episode of Pro Street TV will be showing you how to fix the OBD2 P0141 trouble code in a Toyota Camry. Your Toyota Camry check engine light is on, causing some drivability issues. Not only that, but you can't pass your Camry smog test or state emissions inspection. Using an OBD2 scan tool, you've found that you have a Toyota Camry P0141 trouble code. There are two kinds of Camry oxygen sensor, upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. The downstream oxygen sensor is also known as the secondary 02 sensor or rear oxygen sensor. Our test vehicle happens to be a 4-cylinder Toyota, equipped with a VVTi 2.2-liter engine. The Toyota 02 sensor is easily disconnected and located after your catalytic converter. Once you've got this sensor disconnected, put in your Toyota key and turn the ignition to the on position. You will be testing pins A and B on the sensor side. If your readings are outside this range, your sensor is bad. Have any questions? Check the guide in the description below, and thanks for watching Pro Street TV.